Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I'll be showing you guys how to make these delicious oven-baked country style ribs. These are so delicious and prepping takes no time. Before I show you guys how it's done, if you're new here, please take a quick second to subscribe to my channel if you're new. Also, leave a like if you enjoy and let's jump right into it. Alright guys, to begin, I am going to add a few drops of this liquid smoke to my ribs just to give it that smoky flavor because we are baking these and not grilling them. So yes. Next, I am going to add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of mustard. You can use any type of mustard. Basically, the mustard is going to be using as a binder to hold the seasoning. It's basically like a glue, just to hold the seasoning in. And once we're done, we're going to rub that in on both sides, obviously. Once I'm done rubbing the mustard in, I am going in with my homemade dry rub. I am using sugar, salt, ground black pepper, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, some salt, and a little bit of cayenne pepper. Not too much, okay? Because we want to balance the sweetness from the barbecue sauce, so I added some cayenne. Now we're going to generously season our ribs just like that. Once I'm done seasoning the ribs, it's time to bake them. I am going to grab my baking rack and just place them on top. Do not cover them, okay? Since they are baking in such a low temperature, don't cover them. And if you cover them, you're gonna take all day, okay? So I added the baking dish at the bottom just to catch the liquid, the fat, whatever it may be. And I'm going to bake it on 300 for 2 hours. Okay, once the 2 hours are up, this is what we're looking like. It's looking good, okay? So here's what you're going to do. You're going to remove that foil, add a brand new foil, and also I am going to drizzle some honey onto the foil. It doesn't matter how much, okay? If you like it sweet, of course, you can add more. And also I'm going to add some butter on top of the honey. I'm going to add this Jack Daniel's barbecue sauce. First time using it, 10 out of 10 would recommend. So bomb, so tasty. Okay, I'm going to I'm going to add about a cup of that barbecue sauce in there. You can see the butter's melting already because it's hot, baby. Now I'm going to place the ribs on there, just twirl it, turn it into the sauce. Or you can make this in a cup all together, but ain't nobody got time to be dirtying dishes, okay? So just roll it in there just like that. And we're going to bake this again for another 30 minutes to an hour if you got time, okay? But 30 minutes for me because I was running out of time and I make 2 videos that day, so you know I was working. So yeah, I am going to bake it again on 300 for 30 minutes. Once the 30 minutes was up, this is what we're looking like. So good, so yummy. Ooh, they looking good. Oh, where's my cornbread? I'm ready. And of course, you have some leftover sauce. You can just drizzle on there or just dip it in as you eat this. All you need is some cornbread and you're ready to go. Now, I hope you guys enjoy this dish, okay? You can make this with regular baby back ribs, of course, but I wanted to try country style, okay? But it wasn't all the way falling off the bone, but it was delicious. It was so flavorful with the kick of the cayenne pepper and the sweetness from the barbecue, the sugar. It was really good. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Hope you enjoy. Hope you tried. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Also subscribe. I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye guys.